Hey there again, or welcome. Today I am making a bacon ranch cheese ball to like dip chips or whatever in. I will be making a separate video for what I can dip into it. I am on a keto diet, so I can't eat chips. My dog, Delta. Let's begin making these cheese balls. Yum! Okay, for this recipe, I'm going to be using 2 of these Hidden Valley Ranch, just the original, and some chive and onion. Some cream cheese softened, 2 of them. Some bacon that has to be cooked first. And some cheese, whichever cheese you like. I like extra sharp anything, so I'm going to use this one. All right, let's make this up. It's going to be delicious. So here we go. I have the bacon made. That is 7 strips of bacon, and I'm doing it not equal parts because we want some in and we want some to be put on the outside of the cheese ball itself. So I want more on the outside. We have our cheese out and we have our softened cream cheese, 2 packs of them, and the ranch dressings, the dip mix, ranch and chive and onion. So let's start with the cream cheese. Let's open both of these up and put them in. I'm going to start with dumping all of this chive and onion one into it because in my introduction I did say I am doing keto, which is low carb, and this has less carbs than the ranch one does. So I'm going to pour all of this in here. Now I'm going to mix it and do a quick taste test and see how much of the other one I want to add. That is good. It's very chivey and oniony. I'm going to add maybe half of this. Maybe half. We'll see how it tastes again. So let's do that first. Stir it up. Alright, I did put about half of this one in, and that's about perfect for my taste. So I'm going to add the little part here of the bacon now. And I'm not measuring cheese. You can measure cheese. I wouldn't know how much I put in it. Maybe about a handful, I guess. Whichever that could equal. See, that looks like a fantastic amount for me. Cheese is delicious in these. I mean, it is a cheese ball. I know cream cheese kind of counts as cheese, but it doesn't have the same flavor as delicious, shredded, extra sharp cheese. All right, let's mix this again. As you can see, the shredded cheese is kind of holding it, well, kind of holding it together. I'm going to add a little bit more so I can handle it better to make a ball. That looks like a pretty good consistency for it to make a ball. And this can get messy. I use my hands because it's easier for me. Alright, on second thought, truthfully, when I make this, I usually just add everything together and make it just a dip. I don't normally turn it into a ball, but this would be too much to touch right now. I'm going to put it in the fridge for a little bit, and then we'll come back and finish it. Okay, so I let this be in the fridge for a little bit. Now it's, you know, kind of looks like a ball. It got thicker, not thicker. It got a little harder. So I'm going to be gross now and just take it with my hands, and I'm going to roll it around in the bacon, and I just add a little more cheese just to hope it sticks. So let's do this. Ah, that bacon. I probably should have made more bacon, but this is also a pretty big, I mean, I could have just used 1 cream cheese. Alright, so that's really it. I'm going to be posting a video of what I'm going to dip in this, but refrigerate it first. Let it kind of get really, you want it harder than this. And then you can dip crackers or chips or, you know, whatever you want to dip. That's nasty. Ew. There had to have been a better way. I'm just lazy. So anyway, I'm going to put this in the fridge, and that's the end of my video for today. I'm going to be making another video of what I can dip in this. So thank you for watching, and now I got kind of a mess to clean up here. Okay, bye.